Ever bought a tonneau cover that claimed to be waterproof, only to find your cargo soaked after the first rainstorm? You're dealing with poor sealing, cheap materials, and covers that just don't deliver on their promises. Keep watching to discover how these 5 waterproof tonneau covers can actually protect your truck bed from water damage, theft, and the elements. Make sure to check the description below for links to all the products mentioned in this video. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, the Xprite Hard Trifold brings solid protection specifically for Jeep Gladiator owners. This cover supports an impressive 550 pounds thanks to its 15mm PP honeycomb panel construction. And you know what makes it stand out? The aircraft-grade aluminum frame that actually delivers on durability promises. The trifold design opens up easily when you need full bed access. Actually, the installation process requires 0 drilling, which saves you from potentially damaging your truck bed rails. You don't have to worry about complex setups because the pre-installed frame and fixtures make everything straightforward. If you're dealing with harsh weather conditions, this cover handles rain and snow effectively with its waterproof strips. Because the aluminum frame distributes weight evenly, it won't bend under pressure like cheaper alternatives. I do appreciate how the quick lock and release latches function smoothly without getting stuck. However, here's something to consider about this product. The cover only fits 2020-2024 Jeep Gladiators with 5-foot beds, which limits your options if you upgrade trucks. Absolutely, the price point sits higher than soft covers, making it a significant investment. You know, some users report that the weatherproofing isn't completely leak-proof during heavy storms, which defeats the primary purpose. Things to consider. The limited vehicle compatibility means you can't transfer it to other trucks, and the higher cost might not justify the performance for casual users who don't need maximum security. Moving on to number 4, the Perfit liner offers versatility for Ford F-150 owners spanning over 2 decades of truck models. This double-layer PVC construction provides decent weather resistance while maintaining an affordable price point. And the compatibility range from 2004 to 2025 F-150s makes it incredibly accessible. The roll-up design gives you complete bed access when fully opened. Actually, the installation takes minutes without any drilling required. Just clamp it onto your bed rails. You don't need special tools or professional installation, which keeps costs down. Because the vinyl material flexes, it won't crack in extreme temperatures like rigid covers might. If you're looking for basic cargo protection, this cover handles everyday rain and dust effectively. I do appreciate how lightweight it feels compared to hard covers, making daily operation much easier. The stainless steel clamps provide reliable mounting that stays secure during highway driving. But here's what you should know about its limitations. The soft material offers minimal theft protection since anyone can cut through vinyl easily. Absolutely, the build quality receives mixed reviews, with some customers experiencing premature wear. You know, while it claims waterproof protection, heavy downpours can still find their way through seams and edges. Things to consider. The soft construction means limited security against theft, and the waterproofing may not hold up during severe weather conditions, making it better suited for light-duty use. At number 3, the PickupZone brings fiberglass strength to F-150 and Lightning owners. This cover withstands an incredible 2-ton weight capacity, making it one of the strongest options available. And you know what sets fiberglass apart? It resists scratches better than aluminum while maintaining lighter weight than steel alternatives. The trifold design opens from front and back, giving you flexible access options. Actually, the complete assembly comes pre-built, so installation becomes much simpler than covers requiring extensive setup. You don't have to drill holes in your truck bed, preserving your vehicle's integrity and resale value. If you need serious weather protection, the rigid rear seal performs better than soft alternatives. Because the panels lock securely into rails, your cargo stays protected from both weather and theft attempts. I do appreciate the 5-year warranty that shows the manufacturer's confidence in their product. However, there are some drawbacks to consider. The fiberglass material costs significantly more than vinyl or aluminum options. Absolutely, if panels get damaged, replacements can be expensive and harder to source. Some users find the cover heavier than expected, making daily operation more challenging for some people. Things to consider. The higher cost and weight might be overkill for users who don't need maximum durability, and potential repair costs could add up if panels get damaged from impacts. Coming in at number 2, the Bestwyll Retractable offers premium convenience with its automated operation. This cover retracts automatically once unlocked, eliminating the need to manually fold or roll anything. And the 3-position hover feature lets you stop the cover at different points for loading oversized items. The aluminum slat construction with matte black coating provides excellent durability and appearance. Actually, the original mounting system uses factory screw holes, ensuring better stability than aftermarket mounting points. You don't have to worry about drilling new holes or compromising your truck's structure. If you want ultimate convenience, the pull cord operation makes opening and closing effortless from the tailgate. Because it includes an integrated water management system, rain and snow drainage works better than covers without proper channels. I do appreciate how the Trax rail system allows mounting additional accessories using standard T-slot bolts. But here's where it gets complicated. The retractable mechanism includes more moving parts that can potentially fail over time. Absolutely, the installation takes longer than simple fold-up covers, requiring 30 to 60 minutes of assembly time. The price point sits at the premium end, making it a significant investment for truck owners. Things to consider. The complex retractable mechanism could require maintenance or repairs that simple covers don't need, and the higher price point may not be justified for users who prefer basic functionality over convenience features. Taking the top spot as our number 1 best waterproof tonneau cover, the Tyger Auto T3 delivers outstanding value and reliability. This marine-grade vinyl construction withstands harsh weather conditions while maintaining flexibility in extreme temperatures. And you know what makes it exceptional? The dual coating process that provides superior water resistance compared to single-layer alternatives. The aircraft-grade aluminum frames offer structural integrity without excessive weight. Actually, the pre-assembled crossbars fold up with the cover, providing full bed access when needed. You don't have to remove the entire cover system to load large items, saving time and effort. If you're seeking proven performance, this cover keeps truck beds dry through rain and snow, according to real user experiences. Because the installation takes under 10 minutes without drilling, you can remove and reinstall it easily. I do appreciate the limited lifetime warranty that protects your investment long-term. However, there are considerations to keep in mind. The soft construction won't deter determined thieves like hard covers might. Absolutely, some users report mixed results with edge sealing, particularly during heavy downpours. While it fits most Tacoma models, it's not compatible with Trail Special Edition trucks that have storage boxes. Things to consider. The soft material offers limited theft protection, and some sealing issues might occur during extreme weather, though the lifetime warranty helps offset these concerns for most users. There you have it, 5 waterproof tonneau covers that actually protect your cargo. If this helped you choose the right cover for your truck, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive reviews.